When you're pruning, always avoid leaving a snag. What's a snag? A snag is a lump of stem without a bud on it. So if I were to cut back this rose to there, that piece of stem there, which hasn't got a bud, will die back to there. So always make your cut just above a bud or a shoot, and then it will grow out and that stem won't die back. Don't leave dead wood on plants like this rose here. It's unproductive, it won't produce leaves or flowers, and it may well spread the rot back into healthy tissue. Cut it off. Dead wood is much more evident on a Japanese maple in summer when the plant is in leaf. Cut it out as soon as you see it to avoid the rot spreading backwards into healthy tissue. It makes the plant look a lot better, and chances are it'll live longer as well. Cutting a flowering shrub hard back in the hope that it will produce lots of blooms. Well, it will with roses, but spring flowering shrubs like Deutzia, Philadelphus, Weigela, all you will get is leafy growth like this. This will flower in subsequent years, but if you cut the entire thing back, you'll just get a forest of foliage. So if you're cutting stuff hard back, only do it on shrubs whose foliage you enjoy. If you want to prune a silver birch tree, on no account do the job between spring and late summer. When the branches are cut during the growing season, they bleed ferociously. There'll be rivers of sap running down. Wait until October before you prune your birch, and stop before the end of February. That way, when the tree is dormant, it can be pruned without fear of harming it. Don't imagine that by not pruning a climbing or a rambling rose that you're doing it any favours. You are not. Climbers and ramblers do need pruning when they finish flowering or in the winter, shortening back the side shoots to avoid this mess here, which doesn't produce many flowers, is not a thing of beauty, and it certainly won't last forever. Its vigour is diminishing simply because it wasn't cut back. Don't prune yew hedges and topiary in spring. It'll just encourage a lot of growth. Wait until September or October to cut it crisply. Then it will stay crisp right the way through winter and to the following spring.